guys, welcome back to my channel and yes, I am back with another video today. और आज का video is so exciting because कुछ दिन पहले मिंत्रा ने अपना एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल चालू किया था. आई थिंक इट वॉज फ्रॉम 19th of June to 22nd of June और इतने ज़्यादा वैरायटी थे सेल में that I went like crazy and मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें मंगाई है. यहाँ पे मैंने ओपन नहीं किया है कुछ. I was waiting for the video to open और मैंने इतना पेशेंस दिखाया है. So proud of myself and yeah, so without further ado, let's just quickly get started with the video. So this is the first package and let me open. So मैंने इसे बहुत अच्छे से सैनिटाइज कर लिया है. मैंने काफ़ी दिन रखा है इसे and now I am opening it. There are like 3 packets in this. See the first one. So this is the first one. It's a plain tea, a plain pink tea and it looks really nice. I love the material. I love everything about it. ऐसे पहली बार देख के. So I'll put a picture of the amount and what was it before and what was it after the sale here. So टी शर्ट था 599 का और सेल में मुझे मिला है 237 रुपीज़ में, विच इज़ लाइक ओके फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ टी शर्ट राइट. 237 में इतना अच्छा मटेरियल इज़ रियली वेरी फाइन. इसका साइज भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. लाइक इट इज़ ओवर साइज बट क्रॉप भी है. सो इट लुक्स रियली नाइस विद अ हाई वेस्टेड जीन्स. It is in size small. The next thing I can see is this and it is a t-shirt again and it is also a oversized t-shirt. You can see it is from Mars and Harbor again. So it says Hola here if you can see. So I really loved it as well. I am in love with the material that Mars and Harbor has. This was initially for 799 rupees, bought it for 251 rupees. Really nice, very nice Aishwarya. It is in size extra small, yet it is very oversized and it is not going to be cropped for me. So yeah, no worries. I think it is okay for a t-shirt like this. Also guys, I want to tell you all that मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं मंगाया है that we cannot wear on everyday basis. I wanted to buy something जो मैं डेली बेसिस पे पहनूँ, ना कि सिर्फ ओकेजनली पहनूँ या वैसे कुछ. और सेल था so I thought of buying everything under 1000. I think everything here is under 1000 rupees. So yes, मुझे ऐसे कुछ एक्सपेंसिव नहीं दिखाना था. मतलब मैंने H&M से कुछ लिया है विच इज़ फॉर 4000 रुपीज़ और सेल के बाद मुझे 3000 में मिला. नो आई डोंट वांटेड टू डू दैट. मुझे ऐसे चीज़ें लेनी थी जो सच्ची सेल को एक्सप्लेन करे और उसे डिफाइन करेगा. Now the third is again a t-shirt. I bought a lot of t-shirts. So this one I was very excited for this one. I can see, like I can peek a little. So this is the one. Look at it. It's Powerpuff Girls. So this one I was very excited again for this one. It has a really good print. ये ऐसा प्रिंट नहीं है जो एक टाइम पे निकल जाएगा. I think काफ़ी अच्छा प्रिंट है. और स्लीव्स पे भी प्रिंट है पावरपफ गर्ल्स की. सो एज अ किड मुझे बहुत पसंद था पावरपफ गर्ल्स. इफ़ यू आर अ किड फ्रॉम 90s you'll know that. This was initially for 699 rupees. I bought it 188 rupees which is really nice for the quality. मतलब क्वालिटी के हिसाब से सारे जो पैसे मैंने दिए हैं मुझे 100 मार्क्स मिलने चाहिए. थोड़ा सा आई विश थोड़ा सा ये मुझे बॉडी हगिंग होता थोड़ा सा. तो और अच्छा लगता. Let's open our next package and where's the scissors? It's only. I am so happy about the prices of these t-shirts because मुझे only और ऐसे सारे brands के t-shirts इतने अच्छे प्राइस में मिले. So I'm very happy and I'm very happy about this t-shirt as well. Look at it. Look at it. How pretty it looks. The material is also very nice and it says vintage. I wanted a t-shirt like this from a very long time. मुझे ऐसे prints बहुत पसंद है. This t-shirt initially was for 699 rupees. That is almost 700 rupees. और मुझे ये t-shirt मिला है 166 rupees में. Can you imagine that? ये मैं इसलिए और ज़्यादा excited हूँ because I am opening this for the first time. I mean मैंने parcel मंगाने के बाद I am opening it for the first time. इसलिए मेरी एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ गई है. आई एम वेरी 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 एक्साइटेड फॉर ओपनिंग पार्सल्स और प्रेजेंट्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स ओपन द अदर वन. I think it is a t-shirt again. It is from Pepe Jeans. I love this color. I mean let me open it first. So मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत कलरफुल चीज़ें नहीं होते. I have wardrobe full of black and white t-shirts and clothes and dresses. So very happy again about the material. Material सारे चीज़ों के material इतने अच्छे हैं. T-shirt 799 rupees का था, 800 का था और मुझे ये मिला है for 222 rupees, which is again a steal क्योंकि Pepe Jeans का t-shirt and the quality and the color, yeah. So I'm loving it as well. Now let's open this package. Very excited about this package. I know what is inside this. So yes. It's a jeans. It is from Spiker and you guys, you all are going to be shocked looking at the price here because कितना ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट मिला है मुझे इस पर. वेरी 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 हैप्पी बिकॉज मैंने स्पाइकर पहले यूज़ किया है और मुझे बहुत टाइम चला स्पाइकर जीन्स. सो आई रियली लव स्पाइकर लॉट इन साइज 26. सो लेट मी टेल यू आई एम वेरी 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 स्केप्टिकल अबाउट जीन्स साइजेस और मैं जीन्स ऑनलाइन नहीं लेती. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम जीन्स ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किए हैं. I like to go in a showroom and then try it और पूरा भरोसा रहे मुझे वो साइज पे and then only then I buy it. But then ये टाइम पे because the offer was so good I thought why not, so I bought it. Spiker jeans was initially for 2,199 rupees. Bought it for 524 rupees. Can you imagine that? Fits like a glove और मुझे बहुत पसंद है ऐसे jeans. So very 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 excited to style this one. And now the last product in clothing. This is the one. Look at, let me just open it and tell you all what it is. Also H&M के if you all know Myntra has H&M from a very long time now. और but H&M के products काफ़ी late आते हैं. Like the other products that I ordered came in like 3 days, 2 to 3 days. But H&M का product ship होने में ही 3 days लगे उसे and it took around 7 to 8 days to get delivered. So keep that in mind. So yes, let's see. And then again a butter paper wrap. Let me tell you, मुझे बहुत पसंद है बेसिक और काफ़ी ऐसे easy to wear, easy to handle कपड़े पहनना. But then something like this was so out of my box. look at it. It is a jeans with a pattern. Wash off wale pattern mein hai, which is really good. Again, I am in the size 26 for this. This was initially for rupees 1499, almost 1500, and I bought it for 596 rupees. इसका फिटिंग मेरे पे बहुत अच्छा है. I love the way it looks on me. A little nervous about how I am going to style it, but no worries. And now the very last product of this haul, that is this. I have opened it. Please don't mind, but I have opened it, and it comes like इसके ऊपर एक प्लास्टिक था, वैसे पहले वाले प्लास्टिक जैसा. There was this box जो पेपर में रैप किया था. Then there was this box जो बबल रैप में पैक किया था. So मुझे लगा ये स्कैम तो नहीं कर रहे मिंत्रा वाले. But then I found this. Look at it. It is Maybelline's toasted brown. It's MNU11. This lipstick, I have never used this lipstick, like the bullet, Maybelline's bullet lipstick, but then this one is really very nice. Let me tell you, I am wearing it right now. Shade is so nice. ये ऐसे brown nude shade है, which is really nice. Lipstick initially was for 450 rupees. I bought it for 262 rupees, which is really nice for a lipstick, for a beauty product. So I had no idea how it was going to turn out. कि मैंने पहले इतनी shopping online for jeans, for my bottoms कभी नहीं की है, and I am in love. I am in love with all the products I got today. और मिंत्रा में इस बार इतना ज़्यादा सेल था, और all the brands इतना ज़्यादा सेल था, but I wanted to buy something like this. Yes, very keen to buy more stuff from Myntra. I have seen उनके पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा offers होते हैं on daily basis. Like कुछ ना कुछ offer चलता ही रहता है. If you guys liked it, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know how do you like and what is your favorite product from my order right now in the comment box below. And I think my favorite is the Spiker jeans and the H&M jeans and the pink t-shirt Powerpuff Girls wala. I think I like everything. So I like everything that I bought. ऐसा कुछ एक choose नहीं कर सकती, but y'all can, because you have watched how the products, how the clothes look on me. So आपको जो पसंद आया, let me know in the comment box below, and do let me know how do you like the video. So that's it for today. Bye bye. Take care.